All right, guys, here we have it, the Lumara Pads. We're gonna do an unboxing, show you guys what's inside, how to get set up. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Lighting up my entire house. First thing, we have power supply, of course, to power our pad. We're gonna have our main wall plug, and we also are gonna have our Lumara pad controller. So this thing is how you're gonna adjust your Lumara pad and control the brightness, the time setting, everything like that. So we're gonna set that to the side, and I think we have a bunch in here. We have the Lumara pad, the large as well as the long. We're also gonna have 2 full sets of sleeves. Now what these sleeves do is it protects your pad. So you slide your pad right in through here. So when you wrap it around, if you have any sweating or anything like that, any dirt or debris, it's gonna keep your pad safe. We also have our long pad to kind of get the size in mind. So this one's gonna be great for wrapping around your abdomen as well, around your back. You can do it over your shoulder. I love these treatments. And let's go ahead and get our pads unboxed. The fresh wrapping, nothing like that. And there we have it. Oh, she looks so good. And there you can see both these are actually wrapped together in here. And here we have it. So you can kind of get an idea. And this one is fantastic. If you have a flat ground surface, you can lay on it, or you can also wrap it around your body as well. And let's go and do power setting 1, the power button. Nice. This is only setting 1. There's setting 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how bright this bad boy is. Just how many LEDs are on these systems. Okay, now that I can see, let's go ahead and put this into the sleeve here. So there's gonna be 2 snaps on either side and a slip of Velcro. You wanna make sure that the 2 ports, which are both found on the back of the pad, are gonna be near the exit, so we can go ahead and use that plug. It's actually a pretty perfect fit. There we go. Nice. Perfect. And I think you can still roll it up as well. So you can actually travel with it just like that. This is an absolute game changer when it comes to healing and recovery. I mean, if you're like me, you're big into fitness or you do sports, athletics, wrapping this around your joints, your knees, your arms, and that's really where this other pad comes in really handy. So this is our second system. Clip it together, and let's power this on. I love red light therapy. I don't know if you guys know, but this is literally my bread and butter when it comes to recovery. This is like lighting up my entire house. So this is fantastic. So you have the long and the large pad, and you can buy these in a bundle set. 2 of the large pad and then 2 of the long pad. You're able to treat your full back. You go and treat your shoulder. I mean, it flexes. You can lean down, and now you can watch something while you're doing red light therapy. This is a game changer for therapy treatments. You don't have to have a big giant rectangle system that you can't move or take anywhere. And that's the biggest selling point that I really want for these pads. I want to be able to travel with it. I don't want to have to set it up in my bed and have this giant standing mechanism just to do red light therapy. I'm able to roll it up and I can take it with me. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you want to get yours today, you can get them right on their website, lumarasystems.com. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.